220 as well, Andrew?
No.
Okay. That is low. Wow. He's really slowed down, isn't he? He's a good pilot. I think he stays up there, he's going so slow. Wheels down.
This is the worst. Wheels down.
How many minutes recording time have we got left on there? Was that another one? Yep. That's okay, we can wait for the other one.